TikTok has grown from being just a social media site to become one of the largest online shopping centers. Millions of users are discovering new things every day, so this is an amazing opportunity to showcase and sell products directly to interested buyers through TikTok Shop. This guide will walk you through setting up your own TikTok Shop. That way, you can turn your profile into an online store on one of the busiest social media platforms today. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on growing your online business. The main advantage of TikTok Shop is that it allows business account owners to sell products directly within the app, so there's no need to send followers to other sites. Given millions use the app for product suggestions, TikTok Shop turns your account into a full store where users can explore products and make purchases right in the app. If users see a product in a video or live session, they can buy it quickly with just a few taps. Running a TikTok Shop has many benefits. It provides great visibility in TikTok's gigantic user base. If your products fit popular trends, there's a good chance for exposure. Influencer marketing on TikTok is also helpful to reach more people and build trust, since users often find recommendations from well-known creators more convincing. Unlike other ads, shopping videos and live shopping are engaging and entertaining ways of presenting products, making the purchase process fun. Also, TikTok's algorithm customizes users' feeds to show products where they are most likely to get attention. Using the viral nature of TikTok, particularly with popular hashtags like "your TikTok made me buy it," will help your products get a lot more attention, and usually that translates to more sales. For businesses, TikTok Shop is a powerful tool that combines engagement and shopping in one place. To begin, the first step is to create an online store, preferably using Shopify, since it connects directly with TikTok. This connection makes it easy to manage your store and use TikTok's shopping tools. If you have a Shopify store, download the TikTok for Shopify app to connect your product catalog, track inventory, and manage sales on both platforms. For those using other e-commerce platforms, the integration might differ, but many of them offer similar features. Making sure your products are easy to access and your inventory is managed well is essential for the next steps in setting up your TikTok Shop. After connecting your online store, you'll need a TikTok business account to access the tools for managing a TikTok Shop. If you already have a personal account, you can easily switch to a business account in the app's settings. Just go to Settings, select Switch to Business Account, and follow the steps. With a business account, you get better analytics, advertising options, and shopping tools that aren't available with personal accounts. All these features are key in helping your business thrive on TikTok. If you're new to TikTok, it's best to start by choosing a business account. Having a business account gives you access to TikTok Ads Manager, which helps you understand your audience better and find out what works best for them. Now that your online store is ready and your business account is active, you can sign up for TikTok Shop. Currently, TikTok Shop is available in a few places, including the US, the UK, and some parts of Southeast Asia. To get started, go to the TikTok Shop Seller Center and complete the application by providing proof of identity, residency, and business ownership. This process is simple, and after submitting your information, you'll usually get a response in 1 or 2 days. Once approved, you'll have access to TikTok's full range of shopping features, including live shopping sessions, shoppable videos, and a dedicated product showcase. These shopping features give you a big advantage in making the experience seamless and enjoyable for your audience. Promotion is the next step to make your TikTok Shop successful, because simply setting up the shop won't lead to sales. TikTok has many engaging ways to advertise your products within the app. Shoppable videos enable you to connect your products directly within your video content. When viewers are on the feed watching your videos, they can buy items right from the feed without leaving the tab. It's a great way to capture the attention of viewers who are already interested in finding new products. Live shopping is also an effective method for promotion. You can talk to viewers directly, show your products, answer questions, and invite them to buy during the live broadcast. The more a viewer sees a product in action and can ask questions for prompt answers, the higher the level of trust and desire for buying that product. You can set up a product showcase on your profile using TikTok's bag icon, which works like a mini store where users can browse and buy items. This feature makes it easier for potential customers to view all your products in one place, likely increasing sales. Even if you can't use TikTok Shop because of your location, you can still reach potential buyers with shoppable ads. TikTok works with Shopify, letting you create ads that connect directly to your product list, giving users another way to find and buy items. This partnership allows you to create ads and manage campaigns right from Shopify, making it easier to advertise on TikTok. Shoppable ads combined with your usual content can work well to reach specific audiences based on their interests, age, and habits. This targeted marketing can often lead to more sales. With TikTok's ad tools, you can connect with users who might not find your profile naturally, but would still be interested in your products. There are 5 ways for users to engage with your products on TikTok, all designed to make shopping easy. First, there's live shopping, where you can host a live stream and show products. It's a chance for viewers to buy items they see during the live stream. The second way is through shoppable videos, where you can include product links directly in your content. This keeps people engaged in your videos and makes it easy for them to shop while they watch. Third, the product showcase feature lets you create a mini store on your profile, which users can visit by clicking the shopping tab. Shoppable ads provide another option for brands that aren't eligible for TikTok Shop. Finally, TikTok's Shop Marketplace tab lets users search for and explore products from multiple sellers, which helps new customers discover items. Creating effective content on TikTok requires an approach that matches TikTok's unique style and audience preferences. Authenticity is important on TikTok. Rather than reusing content from other platforms, try creating videos that feel genuine to TikTok's environment. Whether you're showing behind-the-scenes looks, joining popular challenges, or using trending sounds, content that feels real and engaging will perform better than traditional ads. Partnering with influencers on TikTok can also increase your reach significantly. Collaborating with creators that followers trust makes your products more appealing to their audience. This type of partnership works well because TikTok users often trust recommendations from content creators they love more than ads from celebrities. Team up with an influencer, even those with smaller followings, to reach new audiences naturally and in a relatable way. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to create a successful TikTok shop that not only reaches potential customers, but also engages them in a way that drives sales. TikTok Shop is an excellent opportunity to connect with a younger, highly engaged audience and transform casual views into loyal customers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more guides on building your online presence and growing your business in the digital age.